Hey everyone, welcome to my channel ASP.NET Core, and today I'm going to show you how to fix that type of error. And the error is cannot convert from online food.model, that is the project name, and models is a directory name, and .user, and that is the user is the class, and actually user is actually inherited from the identity user also. So cannot convert from online food.model.user to Microsoft.ASP.NET Core.identity user. So here user manager.create async. First of all, you have to check by the user manager.create async what argument are you needed at here. Actually, if your user manager class is inherited with your identity user class, you can see that here we have a identity user. So must to use identity user at here. Okay, but if you are using, and if you want to use user or you can say application user at here, so must to take application user or user class at here. So just change this. Sorry. User manager with the user. Okay, role manager is actually inherited with the role identity role, and here we also you can use identity user. You can use user instead of identity user, so the problem will resolve easily. Okay, so thank you guys for watching this video, and keep watching all other videos which is related to ASP.NET Core.